Today in the Northridge 4x4 DIY garage, we're going to show you how to install a set of rugged ridge rear tube doors on your 2018 Plus Wrangler JL or your 2019 Plus Gladiator JT. Tools needed for this install are a 1/2-inch wrench and socket and the T50 Torx bit and mini ratchet from your Jeep's toolkit. It's also handy to have a spring clip of some sort and a little bit of painter's tape. Start out by bolting our hinges to the tube door brackets. We use our spring clamp to hold the hinge in place. This is where that painter's tape comes in handy. Wrap that right down along the bottom of the wrench, and now that'll hold our nut in place. Put a washer on that and we can slide it right underneath. Drop a washer on a bolt, come down from the top and screw them in. Now we don't want to go super tight. We want this bracket to just barely move. Again, not super tight. We want to just be able to get that hinge to move. We're going to use a little light grease to lube the pins. This is just a white lithium grease. So we take our tube door and line up our hinge pins with the hinges and drop them in. You might have to wiggle it a little bit, up and down, back and forth to get them to sit all the way. Then we're going to take our factory hinge bolts and install them onto the hinge pins. By installing the hinge bolts to the hinge pins, it aligns the hinges up perfectly. So now we can adjust our latch. We can then take our wrench and our socket and tighten up the hinges. If it's tight, you can just loosen up your bolts, lift the door up a little bit more, tighten them again. Check our alignment. Oh yeah, that's perfect. To finish up the install, we take the door stop strap. It's got a loop on one end. We slide that over the hook on the tube door. On the other end, we have two loops. We're going to use the inner loop for the JL and JT, and that slides over the hook on the body, and that'll limit the amount the tube door can open. We can then just take our trim panel, slide it back in, snap it into place, and our tube door installation is complete. Now you've got a set of rugged ridge tube doors installed front and rear on your Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. And they look pretty sharp. So if you like this video, click the like button down below. Don't forget to leave us a comment. And check out the description. Find out more about us here at Northridge 4x4 and where you can get yourself a set of rugged ridge tube doors for your Jeep. Now, let's take this thing outside and enjoy the sun. Now it's time to get out in the sun and enjoy these tube doors. So until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.